Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable 3GPP80 commands on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, sir, in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, okay, go to software information. Okay, tap this. In software information, you can see here the build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the developer mode has been turned on. And okay guys, go back and go back again. And now here in settings, you can see here now the developer options. Okay, you can see below. So you'll have to do is tap the developer options. In developer options, okay, scroll down and go to debugging section. Here in debugging section, you can see here the 3GPP80 commands. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the 3GPP80 commands, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. The pop-up or show. So okay, restart your phone to use 3GPP80 commands. You'll have to do is tap the OK button and 3GPP80 commands enable, and automatically your mobile phone is shut down and turn on again. And okay guys, go to settings and go to developer options. Here in developer options and debugging section, you can see here the 3GPP80 commands. And okay, we have successfully enabled the 3GPP80 commands. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up will show again, and restart your phone to use 3GPP80 commands. So okay, you'll have to do is tap OK. And 3GPP80 commands disable. And okay guys, your mobile phone is automatically turned off and turn on again. And okay guys, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings and go to developer options. And developer options, okay, here in debugging section, okay, you can see here the 3GPP80 commands is now disable. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled 3GPP80 commands on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.